As we are Noakhali, so let's learn Noakhali to English. Ajjar mon balo nei.
Today I'm not feeling well.
Amne bala asin ni.
Are you fine?
Amne baat khaisin ni.
Did you take rice?
Amne kim bibahito.
Are you married?
Amne hola mai asini.
Do you have any children?
Amne poribarar ke ase?
How many family members do you have in your family?
Okay. Amne konai thaken?
Where do you live?
Na abba ki ere?
What's your father's job?
Amne shushur abba ki ere?
What's your father-in-law's job?
Amne hondi ki ere?
What's your brother-in-law's job?
Okay. Amne shali ki ere?
What's your sister-in-law?
I haste ade muanere.
I'll give you 5 taka.
Ar baba are 20 tia disilo.
My father gave me 20 taka.
Noakhali onek sundor bhasha.
Noakhali's language is very beautiful.
Noakhali aile
if you come to Noakhali,
আর মনটা জুড়াই যায় ভরে যায়
I feel happy.
So নোয়াখালী ভাষা শিখতে থাকুন
Learn Noakhali language
and feel the difference.
Thank you very much.